Today I am reviewing the Beatbot Sora 10 pool. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Keeping a swimming pool pristine is one of the most frustrating aspects of homeownership. Between fishing out heavy leaves, scrubbing the algae film off the waterline, and trying to get sand out of the corners, pool maintenance can easily turn into a second part-time job. Traditional pool cleaners often fall short. Corded units leave you tangling with a massive plastic hose across your deck, while cheap cordless alternatives lack the power to climb walls and tend to get stuck on the bottom main drain. Beatbot set out to eliminate these pain points completely with the introduction of the Sora 10 Cordless Pool Vacuum Robot. Finished in an elegant mint green chassis, this machine combines an industry-leading 6,800 gallons per hour of suction with advanced multi-zone autonomous pathing, completely changing how we think about automated pool maintenance for both in-ground and above-ground swimming pools. The first major breakthrough of the Sora 10 is its incredible power system, which addresses the biggest complaint people have with cordless pool robots: short runtimes. Driven by a massive 7,800 mAh lithium-ion battery and optimized by an intelligent power management system, this robot delivers up to 300 minutes of continuous floor cleaning on a single charge. That is up to 5 hours of nonstop runtime, allowing a single unit to easily manage and thoroughly clean large residential pools up to 3,229 square feet. When you switch it to standard mode, which covers the floor, walls, and waterline together, it safely runs for up to 4 hours of heavy-duty scrubbing. When the battery does run low, you simply pull it out and plug it into the 65-watt fast-charging block, which juices the machine completely back to 100% in just about 3.5 hours. Raw runtime doesn't mean much without the muscle to back it up, and that is where Beatbot's HydroBalance structure comes into play. The Sora 10 produces an absolute mountain of suction, drawing 6,800 gallons per hour through its extended 6.7-inch intake zone. This structural engineering allows the vacuum to effortlessly swallow heavy sand, silt, twigs, and large waterlogged leaves in a single pass without choking or losing vacuum pressure. All that debris is funneled directly into an extra-large 5-liter internal filter basket that can hold up to 650 leaves before needing to be emptied. The kit includes a 150-micrometer mesh basket perfect for trapping daily organic debris, and it supports an optional 3-micrometer ultrafine filter for pool owners fighting microscopic particles like fine dust, pollen, or dead algae sludge. Where standard pool vacuums typically stick to the flat floor, the Sora 10 is a true 3-zone and shallow water cleaning platform. Equipped with 3 separate motors and dual front-mounted roller brushes that rotate at differential speeds, it generates unmatched mechanical traction. This allows it to easily scale steep vertical pool walls made of vinyl, concrete, fiberglass, or even slick ceramic tiles. Once it reaches the top, it performs intensive lateral scrubbing directly along the waterline to dissolve stubborn scum lines, oils, and chemical scaling. Even better, it features specialized shallow water tuning that allows it to operate flawlessly in water as shallow as 12 inches. This makes it one of the few robots on the market capable of driving right onto your tanning ledges, splash pads, and sun shelves to sweep them clean rather than getting confused, drawing air, and shutting down. Navigation is handled autonomously by an array of 11 onboard sensors anchored by SonicSense obstacle avoidance. Using real-world ultrasonic sound waves, the Sora 10 maps your pool layout in real time, instantly detecting underwater hazards like main drain covers, steps, ladders, and built-in benches. Instead of mindlessly ramming into an obstruction or getting high-centered over a drain, the robot intelligently calculates an S-shaped path around the object, maintaining a continuous, uninterrupted cleaning pattern. When the cleaning cycle is fully completed, you don't have to fish around the bottom of the pool with a heavy hook. The robot engages its smart waterline parking feature, automatically driving up the wall to float and park directly at the water's surface for 10 minutes. This allows you to simply reach over and lift it out by the handle, while the integrated smart drain system rapidly dumps the internal water back into the pool, so you are only lifting the actual weight of the machine. On the digital side, the Sora 10 features comprehensive dual connectivity, supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi alongside Bluetooth. Through the official Beatbot companion app, you can easily toggle between floor mode, standard mode, or a highly convenient eco mode that runs a quick 45-minute floor clean once every 48 hours for hands-off maintenance while you are away on vacation. The app also delivers automatic, over-the-air firmware updates that continuously refine the robot's pathing algorithms, sensor mapping, and battery efficiency over time without any manual configuration. Built to be entirely saltwater safe and corrosion-resistant for pools with salt chlorine generators, and backed by a comprehensive 2-year manufacturer protection plan, the Beatbot Sora 10 represents a premier, worry-free investment that guarantees a crystal-clear pool all season long.